everybody, welcome back to Tap for Fun. Today we are doing the pickup. A lot of you who have done tap before have been going, when's the pickup coming? Well, today is the day. The pickup is a great step, and again it's another one, a bit like the shuffle, it ends up in a whole heap of things, so it'll be a really good thing for you to learn. And it'll be a nice chance for us to use the foot in a slightly different way to how we've been doing it so far. So let's get going. So the pickup maybe perhaps isn't exactly how it sounds. We are almost doing the backwards bit of the shuffle. It's the easiest way to explain it. I'll show you a few of them slowly and then I'll break it down. On the other leg. What we're doing is we are going from our heel on the ground and the ball of the foot lifted, and as we pull the leg backwards we sort of flick the ball so that it catches the ground. It's a bit like, I want you to imagine that as you've got it here, there's a bouncy ball about there, or a marble, or any kind of ball that you like really, and all you're going to do is flick it backwards, like that. In slow motion what my foot is doing is this. I'll do that one more time. Okay, that's the action. But it's really fast. It's a bit like a mousetrap coming down on something. It's a really satisfying sound. Okay. We are going to, if you haven't quite got the pickup, that's okay. It's another tricky step, so just keep watching until you're with us. If you've got it now, we're going to do some step pickups, okay? It's going to be really hard in my small little space. If you've got a bit more room, you could do a few more. But we'll do 2 on my board, but actually you could go on for as long as your space is doing these pickups. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our feet together. And this is us coming into a bit of a sequence as well. We'll start with our feet together and we are going to take a step back. That's all we're doing. Once we've stepped back, you lift the heel of the front foot and you pick up. Then that one is ready to step back and you lift the heel of the front foot and pick up. I'll show you again. Feet together, we step back, pick up, back, pick up. I'll show you one more time. Here we go. Step back, lift the front of the foot and pick up. Step back, lift the ball of the foot, pick up. Okay. The way to get a little bit quicker at them is to try and combine stepping back with lifting the front of your foot up at the same time. I'll show you what I mean. Rather than going step, lift, pick up, we're going to go step and lift. Okay? From feet together you step back and you lift. And then pick up. Step, pick up. Okay? I'll show you again. Step, pick up. One more time. Step and lift, pick up. And that's it. That's a step pickup. There are literally hundreds of variations of doing pickups in a backwards direction. You can add them into all sorts of steps that we've already learned. And there's a really exciting step called a pullback, which we'll come on to a little bit further into this series. But the pickup, like I say, really versatile, going to be used a lot. So take some time to get really comfortable with it. If you've got a bit more space than my little tap board, you can do them all around and just keep going. I'll see if I can do some in a circle just to give you an idea of them as a continuous sequence. We go. Step, pick up. That's a pickup. Enjoy, and looking forward to seeing you guys and how you're getting on with it. Send me your videos of pickups, and like I said, any questions, please get in touch. See you soon. Bye.